Saya kepada DPR for saya sebenarnya not really familiar with I think everybody lah. Okay, thank you very much lah anyway. And my name is Muhammad Zaidi Nadin, Managing Director of Clean Air System. Together with me today is Mr. Ashraf, my senior technical support engineer, and Encik Fazrul. We just record some of our presentation so that we can improve our presentation. We just put it into like a YouTube, something like that, to just something for people to share information. So today I'm gonna make presentation on this actually two products because there actually I have a few more to show, and but today I decided to go around two, but there could be some technical terms, background fundamentals of it. I hope that you guys can bear with me for a while to go through this need to justify the basic fundamentals of this new technology. Two things that I'm going to touch today is the first is actually under the advanced air filtration systems. If I believe GBI and DVC has done GBI training for you guys. So if you go towards the advanced air filtration system, there are 6 types of advanced air filtration system, and this is one of it that I'm going to present to you today. And you will eligible to have 1 point under innovation for that. Then there's another one under the what they call as a non-chemical water treatment system that is eligible you to get 1 point for that. So towards okay, today I would like to start with IGF. It is a part of advanced air filtration system. The agenda today we're going to talk about the IAQ pollutants, technologies, filtration, the PCO technology. Then we're going to come up with the PHI technology, metrology, test result, application specific, the specialty product, and some testimonials. Basically, under IAQ, you have problems with particulates, microbial gases, volatile compound, and basically on particulate you have dust, then dust, pollens. Yeah? And on the microbial you will have bacteria, viruses, mold, and spores. On the gases you will have VOCs and others which you need to get rid of it. And so we are also having problems, specific IAQ problem for building. One of it called sick building syndrome. When you get into the building, you feel headache, you're not feeling so comfortable. Sometimes you have the symptom, the cause of the symptom is unknown, but sometimes when you leave the building, you feel better. And dirty south syndromes, basically a building occupant complain of aroma, the smell is not nice, and most of these complaint reports pretty soon after you leave the building. So on the filtration side, you remove particulate from the air. Air filter must be clean, replaced to be effective. Filters are limited in the size of particles they can capture effectively. So if you use the normal air filter, whatever filter you have, you will basically have this range of the size of particulates, the size of the things that you would like to filter is playing the biggest role. HEPA filter can actually, the best is 0.3 micron, and when you certify a clean room, it is certified 0.5 micron. And sizes of the virus in most of this disease carrier is actually much smaller than that. When you use the UV light, we're talking about UV light now, the technology of UV light. You have this 254 nanometer light, first used in 1950, efficient and effective, disrupt the RNA, DNA, and to sterilize it to achieve the proper CT value. This is very important when you talk about the usage of the UV light, the dosage. I would like to take example of medicine that we take. Whatever medicine that we take, even though it's very important to know that how medicine is right, but if the dosage is not proper, then it's not going to work. So UV energy, the intensity of light times the time, the exposure time, the retention time, people call it, it will be equivalent to the killing usage. Yeah? UV is proven an objective specific treatment does not travel, but UV does not travel. You know, it's just straight inverse square law, basically. So basically, what does it mean by inverse square law? Things like that, because by distance, you know, you have less power. You know, the further the distance, the lesser the power. So this is the classification you will have in normal UV light. Basically, the one, the area that already been exposed, you have this like a border, clear border, yeah, things like that. And over here, when you do a SWOT test or anything, you're not going to find anything. But over here, you have actually exaggerated the growth of this of the bacteria or the microbes around here. You can see that this thing is exaggerated. And UV light, the setup of UV light, basically you need to put at both sides, you know. So you have to really make sure it's going to cover all areas, all angle. And so basically it's a challenge. It's a challenge. Even if from my own experience, also in maintenance, which is not easy to maintain it. But it's actually a workable technology. Then you go for the PCO technology, where actually UV light will actually bounce, hit the metal surfaces over here. Then you eject one of the electrons over here. Then the electron will actually create a hole filled by electron from the hole will actually be filled by the electron from the air. So at the end of the day, you have this OH generated, the hydroxyl radical OH. And this OH has a very short lifespan. It will destroy microbes and gases that come very close to the titanium dioxide surface. And more surface area is more potential for contacts. So if you have more surface area that being exposed to those UVs, then you have more surface area for contact, and for the air, and to make it more effective. And then we come to this PHI technology. This is basic build of PCI technology. Then you have this broad spectrum UV lamp right in middle. You have this sleeve, and you have the optimal surface, quad metallic hydrophilic coatings over here, and hydrated coatings. Rhodium, there's a contents of rhodium on the surface, and you have this rhodium to convert nitric oxide to nitrogen and oxygen. The titanium oxide is exposed to UV light of a wavelength below 385 nanometers in presence of water vapor. Two highly reactive substances are formed called OH and super oxide ion. And you have this silver copper also to speed up the reaction process. So for the PHI technology, we need to create a friendly oxidation called this superoxide ion, hydroperoxide, and hydroxide. Oxidizer actually revert back to O2 and H2O over time. Oxidizer are extremely effective at destroying microbes and gases. All of the oxidizer created exist in the outside air. And okay, a simple hydroperoxide is actually a combination with PHE. You can create that things with the PHI. And how is actually the technology being installed? It's been simply installed over here. You need to install the platinum of the air handlers wires so that the PHI cell operate continuously, and you have some transformer fit for any power source between 100 to 240. And the next generation of this PHI technology is REME, R-E-M-E. What is actually REME is a reflective electromagnetic energy concept. It creates a group of friendly oxidizer. Oxidizer pass a charge off to airborne particulates. Particulates stick together, making them larger. So the particulates become heavy and remain in the air. Existing filter collect it. So the same type of insulation. So the point now is that for PHI technology, you have this type of filter does kill all these things. Bacteria, virus, mold, spores, odors, VOC, all these things being killed. But with rainy, you have also low speeds. Actually, make all this particulate have the charge, positive, negative charge, and actually comes together to make a bigger unit of it. Then once it becomes bigger, it's easily to be collected by the existing filter. Okay, RGF is actually a very have a very long experience of doing and making this works, and they actually have for many products on the air quality for the air quality products. One of their best product that they have sold worldwide is actually through Shaklee, and Shaklee has actually produced oxidizer technology, air filtration technology, and it has actually boomed in the United States and in Europe. Because it's so simple, but it's really workable. And one of the reasons for their success is actually they have a lot of independent testing done. So please have a look in the catalogs that we given to you guys. And the catalog on that product has the clear, simple explanation of the type of test that we have done over there. And you can also Google and get more information about the type of actually successful tests that we have done with independent universities, and like SARS, actually with I think China Institute, I think on SARS, and how effective is actually a skill. So go to the right catalogs. You have the right catalog.
Cik Zaidi, before you proceed, boleh tak saya tahu? Okay, this apa ni, you punya clean air and fluid system Selia Berhad ni, actually you are doing the selling or advising as a consultant or what?
Okay, as a representative for this region, for this product, we just provide you the consultancy on how to apply this correctly. Yes, of course.
You are a consultant to this some sort like indoor air quality.
Yes, we can do that to you. And this is one of the products that we found that actually if you apply it correctly, which actually also at a very reasonable price compared to other products.
Okay, your company is selling the products? Or?
Yeah. It's also selling this product. This product called, please open the called RGF. You have the catalog of RGF? Have you managed to find RGF product? Not the one.